and being a high self things, ferreting myself tearing all truly in alignment with me. Hello, how are you? Good, thank you. I was just finishing watching something on me as Paul. It came out alright. Like, bad one said I was nothing on the slave thing and made me political prisoner. It's all in there. And I've helped others believe in my God and others God, other gods. Well, my gods, yeah. And the universe and the heavens and that's alright. And I'm not finished yet, so thank you. But thank you to everyone who's helped me. Thank you. Anyway, so but in that, and I put it on a playlist, yeah. But in that, they were talking about how I influence myself as Luther, and he said the Protestant Reformation, it wasn't Protestant, it was Lutheran, because my name is Luther at that time, so it wasn't the Protestant Reformation. And just an update. Yes, I love you, I love you. I wasn't just in Tangle story. Vocal, yeah. Oh, WhatsApp, sorry. Yeah. Also in Puss in Boots, you know. So I wasn't a puss. No, that's my cat. That's my cat toy. Anyway, so I just had to bow out, and I don't mind. Jesus of Gethsemane, who was being badly treated. Anyway, so yeah. Anyway, so sorry. And then we met together, spent some time together, and I wanted coffee with some Baileys in it. So I took him to a place, and we sat there and people came with Baileys and coffee, and anyway, so my cat Puss in Boots was there with another Jesus and someone else, and it's just interesting thinking about that and the Puss in Boots story, because my cat was already there. Puss in Boots was already there